Hi guys, welcome to today's video where we're touring a nursery, Green Thumb Nursery. The location will be in the description down below in case you want to visit. I'm seeing some Raphidophora tetraspermas. These are $34.99. They're the ones that are on the moss pole. And there's also some Brazils for only $18. Adansonii. These are the really like crunchy adansonii. I don't know how to explain it. These are $25 though. They're kind of like lettuce. There's also Birkins for $30. This one looks a little bit sad, but these ones look happier. They have really nice variegation actually. Wow. And there's also baby ones in case you don't have enough space. There's also these smaller rafts that are looking a little crazy. Wow, this is how mine end up looking from losing leaves at the base. This is what happens if you don't water your plants on time. They slowly keep losing their bottom leaves. But anyways, there's some red Congos. Oh, well I guess this is a smaller green Congo. It's like the same size as the red one, but it's in a smaller pot. And I am unsure of either, oh actually the red Congo is $17, but I'm unsure of the green Congo's price. Beneath us, there's some Celoums and more Monsteras. The Celoum's $33, and it's pretty big actually. A lickety split. I should call it a lickety split because I don't think it's even called, well I think it's not a philodendron anymore, but I don't know the real name. It's like bipinnatifidum, I don't know. But there they are. They're really pretty. And there's some trailing heart leaves. For an unknown price. And this is the snake plant section. A bunch of different ones, and I'm gonna have to stop on my favorite, which is a baby samurai dwarf for $8. So stinking cute. They're like little rosettes. I finally realized that's why I love them. This one looks like a star. Oh my gosh, this one is the excessively cute one just because it looks like a star. I absolutely love that. So there we go. And then there's also ZZ plants over there. Yeah, okay. And then doubling back on this side, there are some Aglaonemas and Dieffenbachias. And we're coming into the rubber tree area. And they got all the kinds of flavors. Ruby, Taneki. Well, actually these, yeah, Ruby, Taneki. Putting a Ruby next to a Taneki makes it look like a sunburned plant. You know? Like, you just spent a little too much time in the sun, but that's its coloration. Also, they probably turn more pink the more sun you give them. So I guess that's kind of accurate. But I think Taneki is my favorite variegation because that is so gorgeous. It reminds me a little bit of like cow print somehow. Oh, so freaking pretty though. And then the pink version is just the pink version of that, which is also still so stunning. Yeah, that's really pretty. And over here we've got some Peperomias. Peperomia section, 4-inch peperomia. Well, some aren't 4-inch, so scratch that. But here are the Rossos. the Ginnies, which kind of look like rubber trees. So I think they're called baby rubber trees. And there's some Frosts. Oh, I see this caperata back here. I almost didn't notice it until I saw the variegation on the leaf, because I think that's really pretty, so it caught my eye. We got some more 4-inch babies. This is like the Pothos / Scindapsus section. So you can see we have some enjoys, which look like they're, you know, this variegation, now that I'm thinking about it, kind of reminds me of the Taneki, in that it reminds me of a little cow. And there's also Argyraeus and Exotica. So you can clearly see here the difference. Exoticas have much larger leaves and the variegation is completely different. So that's cool. You can clearly see the difference, right? Argyraeus, Exotica. Here's some more Argyraeus and more Exotica. And then over here we have Hoyas. So pubicalyx, australis, and a bunch of string ofs as well. And this, which I actually don't know what this is, but it's definitely a Hoya, I think. This is cool. I don't know what this is. It has some like nice detailings on the leaves. Some more pubicalyx. And oh, there's more over here. What is it? It looks like a lipstick plant, but it's not a lipstick plant. And here is where we have some succulents. Succulent-like plants. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Someone ripped it out. You know, I've been kind of looking around before I started filming, and I've been noticed that like someone ripped out a bunch of plants. Maybe to steal? I don't know, but put that poor baby back. Okay, here's where they have their string of hearts for 14. Peperomia prostratus for 14. And these are 25. Also, they have some variegated string of hearts. $10. Variegated string of hearts have become a lot more common, so now's your moment if you've been waiting. Also some zigzags. These look very healthy. Very, very healthy. How much are they? This is like a good size. 10. Smaller plants are just always a better size because you get to watch them grow, you get to propagate to make it more full. Unless it takes too long and then it's kind of like, I just want my full plant now. If someone would please give that to me. Oh, goldfish plants. I feel like goldfish plants, like they're so plain to me. I like them mostly when they're blooming. They're 8. Here's their Crimson queens, which look how pretty this one is. This one is very white. So stunning. They're $25. Here are some dragon tails for 14. This is definitely the best price that I've seen. They're usually like $20, but this is really good. There's some ornatas here. Different kinds of Calatheas. And also Marantas. I love their purple little flowers. And there's also some the green ones, lemon limes. These are 18. And different peace lilies, domino, platinum mist. Oh, and they also have dischidias. These little dischidias are so cute. They're $25. If you want a little variegated something in your life, I feel like these are good low care plants. There's also lipstick plants, black pagoda, syngonium. There's been like an excess amount of syngoniums lately, if you've noticed. Ooh, look at this peace lily. It's about to bloom. They're both about to bloom. That's very cute. Here are the pileas. They're 10. And there's also polybotrias for 18. Here are their begonias for 14 or 25, depending on the size. And they also have these alocasias. I know the name of these. I'll put them down because I can't remember right now. But they're here. And there's also these, which are either polys or amazonicas. I still don't know the difference. And some more pink aglaonemas. And here is their African violet selection. So pretty. These leaves look so excessively cute because you can't really see the fuzz on them, so they just look really soft. Sorry. And here's a really variegated one. This is one that I have. This one has like lettuce leaves, really crinkly leaves. And there's all so many different gorgeous flower types. Oh, here's another excessively variegated one. And here are the orchids, which are the reason I came here today. And I was like, might as well film. But yeah. That's it, just a quick little tour. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!